appreciate all the hard work.
You'll be ready.
I have no doubt it'll be ready. Surface is great.
Looks
Love
awesome.
the field, yeah. I always talk about just a blue-collar work ethic. Guys that are working hard for an honest wage, and that's what it's all about. That's what I grew up. Our team really appreciates these guys' hard work, believe me. They walk in here, we see the progress, the field looks great, the stadium looks great, and we see the progress each and every day, and myself and the team greatly appreciates these guys' hard work.
How are you?
Good to meet you guys. Thank you.